Cool trains in Montreal. I've forgotten how loud the rumble of these trains can be. Here behind the Dorval ramps. April 4th, 2023 at about 4:30 p.m. I know this train goes through Saint-Henri. Not sure where it starts. It's the one that has all gondolas. This is best viewed from a bridge. There's a Wisconsin Central card. Gondola connection. This is my first time being back here since probably November of last year. Luckily the snow has melted enough. Spring is in the air. And every now and then, from this spot, you can get 2 or 3 trains going, which is really amazing. May not happen now, but I've got a whole bunch of videos where you have 3 or 4 trains at once sometimes. Burlington Northern, and that's the end of this train, heading west underneath the bridge. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day. Short one.